Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix fatal error, crashing fridging, DXGI error, or if you're receiving exception access violation error with century age of access game on your computer. Now the first step is to restart your computer. So sometimes a simple restart fixes the problem. So go to the start menu, then click on the power icon, then click on restart. After the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. Go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here and select the right operating system and then click on start search and then scroll down. This is the latest driver. Click on get download and then click on download now. Now once the download is complete, run this exe file. Now you will see this screen. Click on agree and continue and then put a check on the box which says custom and then click on next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next, and after the clean installation restart your computer and then launch the game. Now the next step is to launch the game with DX11 settings. For this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties. Now under the general tab here you can see the option which says launch options. In the launch option type in dash DX11 and then launch the game. Now the next step is to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus installed on your computer, allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. Now in case if you're using Windows security, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now if you have Windows 11, click on privacy and security and then click on Windows security. Now if you have Windows 10, then click on update and security and then you will find Windows security. So click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down here you can see ransomware protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. And if control folder access is on over here, click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, in my case it's in C drive. If it's in D drive, go to D drive, open C drive, then open program files x86 and then open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. And then open the common folder. Now open the Century folder and then again open the Century folder, open binaries folder, open Win64. Now over here you can see the exe file, then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps and this time go back and then select the Century over here and then click on open. And once the game is added over here, try to launch the game. Now the next step is to verify the game files. For this, launch Steam, make a right click on the game and then select properties. Go to the local files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification, launch the game. Now the next step is to run the game as an administrator. For this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. Now open the Century folder, open binaries, Win64, and then find the game exe file. Now over here you can see the game exe file. Make a right click on game exe file, select properties, go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply. Okay, now launch the game from here. So make a double click over here and then launch the game from game installation folder. Now the next step is to disable Steam overlay and close all the overlay application. So go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game and then close this and then launch the game. Also close all the overlay applications. So if you have Discord running on the computer, close Discord. Now if you have NVIDIA GeForce Experience running in the computer, close GeForce Experience. So close all the overlay application. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. So go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now if you have Windows 10, click on update and security. In Windows 11, click on Windows update and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Now the next step is to install Visual C++ files. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19, and 22. Install both x86 and x64 versions. So click on both the exe file. And then run both the exe file. Now click on both the exe file one by one. Click on repair or install. Click on yes to allow. Again, run the second exe file. Click on repair or install whatever you see. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Now once the installation is complete, restart your computer. So once this is done, you can click on restart, and after the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to install media feature pack. So if you have Windows 10 N edition, so if you have N edition of Windows 10 or 11, install media feature pack. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on apps and features, or simply click on apps over here and then click on optional features. Now in Windows 10, you will see an option which says add a feature. In Windows 11, click on view features over here. Now type in media feature pack over here. Now once you type in media feature pack over here, you will see media feature pack like this. So put a check on the box over here, put a check, and on the bottom you will see the install option or next option. Click on next or install. Install media feature pack and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. So if your computer came with dual graphic card, make sure that you're running the game on the dedicated graphic card. For this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings. Now click on browse over here. Now again go to the game installation folder. So open the C drive, program files, x86, then open the Steam folder, then open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder, Century folders, and then open Century, binaries, Win64, select the game exe file, add it. Once the game is added over here, click on options, select high performance, then click on save, and now launch the game. Now the next step is to perform clean boot. For this, go ahead and type in system configuration in Windows search box, and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab, and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services, and then click on disable all. Then click on apply. OK. You will see the restart option. Restart your computer and launch the game. Also close all the overclocking applications. So if you have MSI Afterburner running the computer, if you have this application, make sure that you close MSI Afterburner. Now if you have a ReverTuner running on the computer, close ReverTuner. So close all the overclocking application. Also close all the background applications. So make sure only the Steam and the game is running. Rest, close everything, including all the browsers. Now the next step is to launch the game in window mode. So go to Steam and launch the game first. So on the top right here, you can see the settings icon. Click on it. Then go to settings. Now select window mode over here. And then for VSync, turn it off. And for anti-aliasing, you can select medium or low. And scroll down here, you can see overall quality. If it is set to epic, select medium or low and then check the performance. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the game to a different drive. So make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on uninstall. Now after you uninstall, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, open Steam and then reinstall the game to a different drive. So if you have a different SSD or HDD, try to install the game to a different drive. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get the game running on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.